Hi, my name is Mikel Anthony. I'm gonna be using Lay's potato chips to make 3 epic dishes in the kitchen. I wanna make some epic mac and cheese balls, so I used Lay's sour cream and cheddar to coat the exterior and then fried them. They were absolutely fire. Let's have a little fun with Lay's potato chips, inspired by Sugar and Scribe Bakery. I wanted to put Lay's potato chips in my chocolate chip cookies. It was absolutely delicious. Sweet, savory, salty, and you know I had to finish with a little bit of flaky salt. When you say fish and chips, one of the first things that comes to my mind is vinegar. So I took Lay's salt and vinegar chips and used that in the batter to fry my fish. Why not? Even though the original flavor didn't come through after frying, the flavor profile overall was still really good. Thank you for watching. My name is Mikel Anthony. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Follow Chef's Roll for more. Keep cooking.